run a cleaning business and you're not sure how to quote a home? Check my YouTube channel under business tips. I have a lengthy, informative, awesome video that explains how I quote a flat rate based on square footage and make a decent profit off of it with my fluctuating flat rate. But in the meanwhile, how do you quote a home without physically seeing it? What if I physically go out to see a home and they decide not to go with me? I've now spent my time, my gas, my mileage going to see a possible client. They go somewhere else, and I could have been using that time to maybe make some money somewhere else, or just do something else, or work on my business in another way. What I personally like to do is I like to ask any possible new clients that have reached out for a virtual tour of their home. Send me pictures or videos of the rooms that need to be cleaned, so it gives me an idea of the time that it may take, whether or not I can handle that job or whether or not I want to handle that job. It gives me a good idea of what I'm working with. Instead of physically going out to see the home, I can virtually see it, either through photos or videos. It's the 21st century. Almost everybody has a smartphone. Almost everybody can send pictures or videos through text or email. And then once I have the photo or videos, then I can compare it to the square footage, get an idea of how long it may take, whether I want to handle that job, what the estimate would be, and I can provide the possible client more information of what it would take to clean their home. That's a tip from Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Follow along on my YouTube, TikTok, Clapper, Facebook, Instagram, and website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, for more cleaning, business, tips and tricks, recalls, and lots more. So stay tuned, follow along. And if you want to start a cleaning business, or you already have a cleaning business and you want more business tips, reach out to me. I even have a Facebook group for cleaning professionals and offer one-on-one consulting. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.